Hello dear kids, now today we are singing a new poem. Yes student, now our poem name is Raindrops. So student, नज़म सुनिए, कहिए, बुलंद आवाज़ से पढ़िए और लय के साथ दोहराइए. Listen, repeat, read aloud and sing. Oh, where do you come from? Oh, where do you come from? Oh, where do you come from? You little drops of rain, you little drops of rain. Peter patter, Peter patter, Peter patter, Peter patter. Down the window pane, down the window pane. Tell me little raindrops, tell me little raindrops. Is that the way you play? Is that the way do you play? Peter patter raindrop, Peter patter, Peter patter. All the rainy day, all the rainy day. I sit here at the window, and sit here at the window. I have nothing else to do. I have nothing else to do. Oh, I wish that I could play. Oh, I wish that I could play this rainy day with you. This rainy day with you. The little raindrops cannot speak. The little raindrops cannot speak. But Peter patter pat, but Peter patter pat means we can play on this side. Why can't you play on that? Why can't you play on that? The little raindrops cannot speak, but Peter patter pat, but Peter patter pat.